Hey there, today we're diving into what you can expect and how to prepare for the installation of your new Genz-Ryan HomePulse system. Let's get started. You're all signed up and ready to get started with your HomePulse installation. Plan for about 1 to 2 hours for the installation and configuration of your HomePulse system. This ensures everything is set up properly for reliable performance. Before the technician arrives, make sure you have your Wi-Fi password handy. HomePulse requires internet access to send vital information about the health of your system. During the installation, you'll see the technician installing HomePulse and completing assessments of your systems. This helps ensure everything is calibrated and functioning optimally. Your technician will thoroughly review all findings with you. This includes any necessary repairs that may be required before your HomePulse coverage can commence. That's it for today's guide on preparing for your HomePulse installation. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or need assistance, feel free to reach out. Stay tuned for more helpful tips and updates. Take care.